Hey guys, it's your boy. And I'm so sorry about not doing a video that long, but today we're back again right here. And today we're gonna be talking about this tree, and something is out there. And I'm gonna be telling you guys to find that. And please turn on notifications. My name is now SharkFins69, so be aware of it. And let's get right into it. And let's keep on moving it on. Bye tree, I'm gonna get you right now. Okay guys, I just want to get a quick some water, but now let's get right into it. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. Find my bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay guys, time's up. Now, please do not cheat. Go back if you didn't find it. Do it again. But I'm going to show you where it is. So, my bird was honestly right there. And I was like this because it was turning that way. So kind of like straighting over there, but not, right now he's moving. But he was actually facing that way. And honestly, that it's a girl and her name is Luna. And I'm sorry it's a short video, but I'm gonna keep on doing videos almost every day. Almost. I'm not pretty sure, but almost. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.